Alright, that's my new RIPrc FPV wing. I've got the GoPro on there. I flew it with a single 2200 milliamp 3S battery. Cruising around half throttle kind of thing, and got a 10-minute flight out of it. It's a really gentle flyer, easy to fly. I think it's going to be excellent for FPV, a cheap option for FPV. As you can see, it's winter time out here still. Look at that massive snow pile. I've never seen a snow pile out here that tall. It's craziness. But anyways, I broke my way in here with my old van and decided to put up a flight for you YouTube people today. Again, it's just my foam board wing that I've built, and it flies great. Super simple, super light flying, cruises half throttle, and carries a GoPro with ease at half throttle.